gotta take this molding off because I got to fix the rust up underneath there. Now, this is all what I got to do to get this molding off. Pull all the back seat out and these interior trim panels just to get to the screws, which I've taken those out already. And then this one right there. Wow, behind this panel. Amazing. Yeah. But I must say it's a well-built car. Well built, very strong. Okay, I got the screw out now. I'm going to look to take this off. See all that dirt inside there? Wow. It's crazy. Okay, got it off. It's nuts, the amount of dirt inside these cavities. Sit there and creates rust. Okay. Okay, I discovered a slight hole right here that lets water on the inside. Now I was wondering why it was rusting right here. Now I find the root cause of that, which is this hole right there.